3D references. Here I have 4 sheets with 4 regions. I would like to create a 5th sheet, a summary sheet, and this sheet will have the grand totals of each one of the 4 regions. First, I'm going to take a copy of one of the sheets that already exists. So to do this, I'm going to hold down my Control key and I'm going to drag from the sheet name to the right. Once I have a new sheet, I'm now going to move it to the beginning and I'm going to rename it as Summary. The summary sheet will have different data, so I'm going to take out the raw data but leave the formulas. I'm also going to rename this. Instead of saying North region up here at the top, this is going to have the total all regions. So what I would like to do here for Product 1, Quarter 1 is to add the North, the South, the East and the West Quarter 1, Product 1 to get the total coming in here. Some people will do this like this. They'll type in an equals, then going into the North sheet, select Product 1 for Quarter 1, then manually put in a plus sign, go to South, Quarter 1, then another plus sign, and basically do this for each one of the sheets until all of the cells are in. So here you can see I'm adding North B4 plus South B4 plus East B4 plus West B4. Hitting the return key, I'll then get my total coming in. However, there is a quicker way of doing this, and we call it a 3D reference. So I'm going to delete that formula and instead I'm going to do it using a 3D reference. To begin, we type in an equals and we type in the word sum because that's the formula that we'd like it to complete. Selecting the first sheet, which is the North sheet, I then hold down my Shift key and click on the West. So I have grouped from North to West, and then I select the cell that I'd like it to add on all sheets, which is B4. Have a look now at the formula at the top. It's summing from the North to the West sheet the cell B4. So now when I hit return, I get the answer, the same as the last answer, but here it's a much easier formula for me to create. Here I've only got 4 sheets. Can you imagine how much quicker this is when you have, say for example, 12 or 24 sheets? Once you've done the first one, you then simply need to drag it down for the 4 products and drag it across for the 4 quarters. So now I have a summary sheet that's showing me the totals for all 4 regions.